Good afternoon, everyone. We have chosen a letter to the editor of Times of India. Subject: complaint about misinterpretation of celebrity. I am writing to express concern over the misinterpretation of celebrity, like Vidyavaran as arrogant and Kashish Kapoor as greedy in their statement. In a recent Times of India article published on 2015, the report misrepresents the celebrity statement as arrogant and greedy, altering its context and creating confusion. Such inaccuracies can damage reputation and mislead the public. As a responsible media outlet, Times India should ensure accurate and fair reporting, particularly regarding public figures. I urge the publication to issue a correction or clarification to restore the integrity of the information provided. Thank you for addressing this matter. Sincerely, Personal Assistant of
So this was based on a apparent article on Times of India, which they found was inappropriate. So they've written a letter to the editor. This is also a method to explain or to make our children learn that they can, if they find something printed in the newspaper, that also does not make it true. So they do have the, being a part of a democracy, we do have the right to even question that, isn't it?
And I want to elucidate more. FEHN is doing, public FEHN is doing so for their entertainment as well as to compensate their surviving or struggling situation. They want to compensate with that. But to crucial impact on celebrities. You don't know, celebrities have to face their public image in degrading as well as reputation hamper, prestige hamper, and also hampering their source of earning, leads to demolish their professional career of their life. Even they have to face up to death.